everyone, it's Tiana. So I'm back with another YouTube video. So today's video, I'm going to do like a cute little fall vibe again, because I told you guys fall is my favorite time of the year. So I used two palettes because I wanted to give like a cute teal vibe. So I used the Juviasplace Zulu palette, the Juviasplace Zulu palette, and the Elf Bite-Size eyeshadow palette, just for one color. And I think I didn't include like the eyelashes that I used. So the eyelashes I used is from krouserbeautybar, and they're in the style Boss Babe, I think. Boss Babe, yes. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So like I said in the previous clip, I used the Juviasplace Zulu palette. I took that brown shade and blended that out in circular motions. The brush I use is from Morphe. It's one of their eyeshadow sets from like the holiday collection. And then over top of that, I'm gonna take the yellow shade. I'm gonna put that right over top of that brown. And then next I'm going to take that black shade from the Elf Bite-Size eyeshadow. These eyeshadows are so pigmented. Usually sometimes with grays, they might come out like ashy, like gray or something like that. So you got to put like a lighter base down just so it can come up. But these are pigmented, so definitely suggest this. I have two of them. One is a pink set and one is like, this is like the neutral set. So definitely recommend these. So I can get that. So I did this so I can get the halo effect. And then I went back in with that brown shade with nothing on it, and then I cut my crease with the LA Girl Pro concealer, just so I can like make that losing my voice, make that halo eye a lot more sharper. And then I'm gonna go back into the Zulu palette and take that tealish blue shade and put that right in the middle of the halo, because I wanted that cute little teal vibe going on. So I'll go in with that. Let me know in the comments like kind of like videos you want to see for like the fall. Yeah, just some more suggestions if you could. And make sure to don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe also. So I always use the same foundations, but this time I wanted to use like a different one. So I used the Fentybeauty Hydration Foundation and Hydrating Foundation in 420. I put that all over my face, and then I'm go in with the concealer right after. I definitely love this foundation. I forgot how much I liked it. If you want like more of like a dewy look, definitely suggest this foundation. And then next I'm going with my favorite concealer, which is the Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer in Deep Tan. As you know, this is my favorite, but I'm still on a hunt for like the perfect concealer. So if you know any, let me know down below. So I'm gonna use that, I'm gonna blend that out, and then I'm gonna contour right after. And then I'm gonna go in with my favorite tried and true like setting powder is the Fenty setting powder in honey. I know I use the same like stuff a lot, but when it's good, I'm gonna keep using it. So, but if you got any like other suggestions of setting powders, let me know down below, because I am like trying to look for more like setting powders, because I use the Airspun. I use Fit Me, but Fit Me is not really like a setting powder. It's like all over face powder. So yeah, and then I'm gonna go in with the ABH bronzer in Mahogany. It's just to give my face a little bit more warmth. I didn't like actually like make it like sharp, just to make my face. I didn't want to like a sharp look, just something simple and like everyday type. And then I'm gonna go with my favorite blush, which is the Rimmel London Maxi blush in 005. I put that on the apples of my cheeks. And then I use the crayoncase highlighter and put that on. A little goes a long way, definitely with this, because it's enough. A little goes a long way. You don't need no more than that. And then the lip combo that I used is Chestnut from NYX and Sparkling Rose from Elf. I forgot to include the what my makeup looked like after. I'm gonna put like a little Snapchat video of what it looks like, but I forgot to put it in. I'm so sorry. But that is all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.